are the platforms. So when you are trying to create photograph for your website, then there is a platform called even Flickr.com. Right? Here, what you have to do, you have to upload photographs. You must be seeing here. You have to upload photographs, and then you can create your albums. Right? You will. I have already created one album. Just to show you, suppose this is the album I have created. This is a kind of photo gallery, and the topic is unexplored location near Gaya. Kind of emotion I am trying to touch? Tell me. When you come to see this topic, unexplored location near Gaya, so what you feel?
It is about Gaya tourism, sir.
No, I mean, I'm talking about emotions. Which emotion I am trying to touch?
मतलब
Obviously, I
गया
want
में
to
कुछ
feel.
ऐसी चीजें भी है जो लोगों को
You are trying to show the
देखना
another
चाहिए.
picture of Gaya.
No, I am
Another
trying.
part of
I
a
am
Gaya,
trying
another side of
to.
a Gaya.
I'm trying to feel you excited. Excitement is one of the emotion, right? So when I am saying, if you see this, that unexplored locations near Gaya, so you must be feeling excited that what are the locations I don't know, right? So
सर
this is
ये
what
जो
I am
आप
trying. Yes.
हेलो सर ये जो
हाँ.
आपका कलेक्शन हुआ ये फोटो
हम्म.
ऐसे हुआ
Photo.
ये फोटो ऐसे एक एग्जांपल हुआ
फोटो एसेज एग्जैक्टली नहीं हुआ क्योंकि दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ गैलरी. दिस इज नॉट एन आर्टिकल. Photo essay, yes, you may say that if I write it in an article form, then also it become a photo essay. Suppose I start giving details of all these locations as I try to do it. Suppose you click this photograph, right? Then what is written? Son Bhandar Caves, which means a heap of gold. This place was once a treasure hunting site. The inner walls of these caves have some inscriptions within them, which are still not decrypted, and those inscriptions are believed to offer information about the hidden treasure. So this is the first photograph, and you saw this photograph. Then you can go to second photograph, and second photograph again I have written there here Muchlinda Sarovar, right? So this is, I mean, if I'm trying to say you the article related to the which are the locations which are less explored in Gaya. So this is a kind of photo essay. I'm trying to feel you excited, and I want you to visit these places.
सर बट जैसे कि फोटो ऐसे हुआ जहाँ
हाँ.
तक सर मुझे लगता था सर कि जैसे एक कंप्लीट किसी सिनेरियो को या किसी जर्नी को पार्ट पार्ट में उसको दिखाना और दोनों
Yes, that is more accurate.
लिंक हो स्ट्रक्चर हो.
Yes, that is more accurate photo essay. Yes, you are right. That is more accurate photo essay. I have just here I am not trying to show you the exact example of photo essay. I am just trying to show you the platform where you can create a photo essay. What the point?
Yes sir. And one more thing sir.
Yes, on
Sir,
Flickr.com. Yes.
सर जैसे पर्टिकुलर एक फोटो हर एक फोटो पे अगर हम कैप्शन देते हैं तो क्या ये पहले चीज की जरूरी है कैप्शन देना या उसके बारे में डिटेलिंग करना या फोटो ही सिर्फ अपने आप में एक कहानी बताएगा?
वो संभव नहीं हो पाएगा अगर नहीं आप कुछ लिखेंगे ना, तो that will not give the exact thing which you want to communicate. People may get their own idea while seeing the photograph, but if you write some captions beneath the photograph, then certainly you will have control over the content. You will communicate the exact thing. People get the exact thing you want to tell them. So caption is required.
वो देना होगा.
Photo captions are required, right? So this is the platform on internet, Flickr.com. You can integrate this is free, so you can integrate this thing to your blog also, right? So I just want to tell you that how to do it, right? And this is one thing. Second, you can also there are so many platforms on mobile also. Mobile, if you want to create mobile photo gallery, then you can use Snapchat. In Snapchat also you can create photo essays. Even you can use Facebook story feature. There also you can create photo essays. So these are mobile related thing, but the problem is that if you create a photo essay on Snapchat, uh, only those users will be able to see that photo gallery, photo essays who are part of Snapchat. You cannot show it and you cannot integrate that photo essays on your website or on your blog. So this is the problem with all these platforms. Facebook also they do not. If you integrate that photograph, then also what will happen that if people will click that gallery, then they will have to log in and all these kind of things will have to be done. Then only he will be able to see that gallery. So that's why there are some limitations. But if you create photo gallery on Flickr, then people do not need to log in or any kind of thing. They may see the photo gallery directly. So now just see how to integrate these kind of things, right? So suppose if you see this blog, department blog, then what we find is that how can we integrate this photo gallery to our blog? So to do so, two type of thing you can do. One, you can create a separate page, separate gallery page, and in that gallery page you can put your these kind of stories. One another way of saying photo essay is that you need not to make photo in Flickr, but just integrate all those photographs in a story. Put a photograph and then write beneath that, then again insert a photograph, then you can write beneath that. In that way also you can tell your story, right? But again, problem is that if you create such kind of story in a story format, then certainly you are not going to get more clicks. So when you create photo essays in this manner, then what is happening? That people will have to click from one photograph to another, right? And that will give you, suppose, more clicks. This is one click, then two click, right? Then three click, right? You are getting more clicks. So how to do it? So to do it, let us assume that we'll have to go to layout first. Try to remember it very carefully. Then it will help you to make your blog or look like a website. So suppose you go to layout, and after going to layout, suppose I want to add something here, right? So I will click add gadget, and here suppose I click one image, right? I click this image. Now I got this title. I can write here unexplored places in Gaya, near Gaya. Right? Caption, we need not to write caption. Link, now it is asking for link. So what will I do? I will go here. I will go to back to album, and I will put, suppose I click this, and I will get this URL, and I will paste it here, right? Now it is asking me one image so that I can So I will upload one image from computer. I will choose a file. Suppose here I want this photograph to be shown there. So I will click it open. Now I will click this also, shrink to fit, so that it get fit into that. Yes, now it has come. Now I will click save. Right? Now come to the blog and refresh it. See, this is integrated here. Now, if someone click this photograph, then yes, he will come here. Got how to do it? Yes.
जो लास्ट में आपने फोटो जो अपलोड किया तो वो
Yes.
एज अ थंबनेल यूज होता है क्या सर?
कौन सा? ये जो फोटो अपलोड किया? नहीं,
हाँ,
एक कोई फोटोग्राफ अपलोड कर दीजिए।
बिकॉज जो लिंक आपने वो डाला वहां पे फ्लिकर का, तो
हाँ।
वो आपका पूरा फ्लिकर अकाउंट खुलेगा या फिर कोई पर्टिकुलर फोटो खुलेगा?
एल्बम का खुलेगा। मैंने एल्बम का डाला ना, ये देखो, मैंने एल्बम है ना, ये एल्बम है, ये वाला लिंक डाला, ये
तो
वाला
अगर
लिंक डाला।
ओके सर, तो अगर हम आपके ब्लॉग में जाके वो लिंक क्लिक करते हैं तो ये पूरा
हाँ।
एल्बम खुलेगा ना सर?
हाँ, देखिए, ये मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक किया, एल्बम खुल गया।